this behavior is not a people-driven behavior. It's driven by political agents of certain individuals who have failed to score success through the ballot box. We will not allow this. Here in Southern Province, we have deployed Zambia Air Force, and I have a lot of choppers for your information. Choppers, aeroplanes, name it. Here, try it. We'll view you from the air. We have what we call drones. We have everything. We'll spot you and pick you and sort you out. Not in this land, try it elsewhere. And when I mean elsewhere, not in this country. Because President Lungu doesn't condone this nonsense. We're not going to allow that. I have Zambia Army, I have Zambia National Service, Zambia prisons, they are all over. And I have also officers incognito who listen to your nonsense in bars and your plans. They'll get your nonsense before you even do anything. They'll have heard you and you'll be caught. So I'm calling upon all citizens to work with President Lungu in ensuring that they report any suspected person to law enforcement agencies as quickly as possible. As Minister of this land and Commander of this province, on his behalf, I promise you sufficient security. We can't afford losing innocent lives because somebody has selfish political interests and plans at the expense of human life. And I can tell you, means they are not sending their children, they are sending other people's children. Why are you not sending your children? If this is an exciting game which is so rewarding, why are you not sending your children so they also get rewarded with bullets, like the way other people's children are getting rewarded with death? How can you say the death of a citizen is success on your side? How can you say that's success? This is shocking, and this is trying to divert government's focus on development. We will not be diverted. We have a mandate, and the mandate up to 2021, and President Lungu will win again. Whether you like it or not, he's winning. Because you can't compete on ideas, you have resorted to violence. Come and compete with us on ideas. We are here. Tell us what is your alternative policy, where we go wrong, than to kill citizens. So we will not allow this. And I'm calling on all parents to accompany their children to school until further notice. Please go with our little ones, don't leave them on their own. And for all churches, I wish to encourage them to continue worshiping the Lord, because nothing is greater than God himself. Amen. So if you are worshiping, just ensure that you leave 1 or 2 people outside for surveillance. And I encourage all churches and all groups, markets and everyone to have access to telephone numbers for Zambia Police. You must have that. Have telephone numbers for Zambia Police, for your minister, for your PS, for your district commissioner, for your councillor, for your mayor, so that if anything happens, we can always call. And then action will come in quick.